I'm doing it, so go. All right, go. You should have been on it by now. Jesus, Kate, let me see it. I can't even see them. All right, that's one.
One down. Dang. We had some difficulty with the matches, but that thing's a burning.
Here.
Give me the matches.
Why don't you pour it on?
No, I want to do the matches.
You gotta be on it. Look.
I didn't realize I could already have it lit while you're pouring, Dad.
Yeah, go ahead, have it lit.
All right, watch out.
I have the best job in the world.
No. All right, go. Shit.
All right, here, go.
Kate, get him! Kate, get him!
Hey, I don't want him coming out. Hurry up. Let me do it, Kate. Watch it now.
You suck. You suck. The fumes. Don't blow up the house. They lived a good life.
No, we're not done.
You're doing it.
You
Why don't
didn't.
you just do it all?
You didn't get the one on the left.
One over here.
You gotta pour some more gas on there.
Where?
Oh, it's catching a little bit, but you're not. That's not gonna do it.
On the left.
Yeah, this big pile here. I feel like I'm at a bonfire.
We can. We should get our marshmallows.
Here, Kate, light this and have it ready.
I had it lit, Dad. The wind blew it out.
All right, here. Get ready, because
Where are we going?
I'm right over here. Let's
How
get
am I
on
supposed
this
to
side.
get there?
Over here.
How am I supposed to get there?
Yeah, third time's a charm.
Is that it all? Is that everything?
Dad, it's gonna catch on fire the whole house.
No, no.
Shit,
All right, good.
You're having a little too much fun with that gas.
Dad, we got rain or the whole yard. Dad, you gotta get these eggs right here.
Yeah, the eggs.
That's
But
where they
I'm
have
not
the
doing it now. Once I...
It's hot out here. I swear bat flew out of here. Let's torch it.
This is not gonna do the trick.
Dude, where's the marshmallows?
Oh.
I don't know if this is gonna work.
I think it is. Look at how that does that. Look at how that's coming along where I dripped it.
Power team. Kathy, you having fun?
Oh, so much.